Hello everybody, this is Benny Boy Tech and welcome to my first video ever. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Sony WF-1000XM3. I think I got that right. These are the newest, latest and greatest from Sony. They're truly wireless earbuds and they retail at $230. These are the best in its class. I've owned these for about a week. I've gone running in them. I've gone to school, class. I have these with me all the time, and I've had AirPods for about a year, and these just surpass all the way. The sound quality with these is like immaculate. You can hear mids very well, highs, trebles very well. The app is very intuitive. It has an equalizer built in, and also it can show you like your adaptive sound. So pretty much what happens is if you go outside, it can recognize that you're going outside, and then it kind of tunes it so that you can, block out more of the outside noise. Or if you're indoors, it kind of chills out the ambient noise, control the noise cancellation, and you can configure that however you want just by tapping the left side. I think once it's like, you can cycle through it and then completely turn it off by cycling through it. So yeah, they sound absolutely amazing. They sound headphone comparable. The especially best part about these is how great the highs sound, like treble on this. I listen to rap mostly. I mean, as you can see, well, actually one of those is rap, but I do listen to rap mostly. And I prefer, a lot of bass, but also like being able to hear the lyrics, being able to hear, pretty much what they're saying. And this shit here, boy, these sound amazing for that, especially rap. But really it's a very full sounding earbud. So if you guys haven't seen these before, this is what they look like. So that's what they look like. And you open them up, it's got this like little, it feels very sturdy, by the way, but you open it up, that's what you see. And you just kind of take them out like this. Here's the right one. This is what they look like. They fit very snug. I mean, I really don't like the silicone tips that come with most of these, like pretty much all earbuds, except for like Apple earbuds. But, and that's why I've always gravitated to Apple earbuds. But for these, like, they fit really well. I have not ever had to push them in or like, they'll feel like they're falling out. That's the worst part about these, but I've never had that happen with these. For some reason, if you see here, it's kind of fat around the edge, around there. So it just kind of snugs in there, like really nice. They just go right in like that, and they're in. I mean, they're not the prettiest headphone earbud, but they're definitely not the ugliest, which would probably be the AirPods. But yeah, they go in and you can pretty much hear what people are saying and just tap if you want to hear them more. Or if you want to turn noise canceling off, you turn that off. They are very comfortable. They sound great. And I love them. They're the best earbuds I've ever had. They sound better than any wired earbuds that I've ever had. Very full, great treble, great bass. Everything is very full with these headphones and these earbuds. I highly recommend these headphones if you have about $230 to spend on earbuds. If not, AirPods are also a really good option, but you're not gonna get the sound that comes with these. So yeah, I appreciate you guys checking out the video. If you wanna leave a like, go ahead. If you wanna subscribe, even better. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.